big V-twin engines are like living creatures. Visceral torque, a loping gait, instant throttle response, a willingness to charge forward regardless of gear position or engine speed. Why did Suzuki choose the 90-degree V-twin format? Because it offers perfect primary balance. And as dirt trackers and GP racers well know, the 270-degree firing pattern transmits power to the rear wheel in pulses, allowing the tire to maintain better grip even under full throttle. But perhaps most important is the tremendous potential this kind of power plant offers on road or track. Yet the TL1000s isn't just another sporting V-twin. It was created to surpass existing standards by combining a liter-class engine with the latest performance technology. These ducts are for SRAD, Suzuki's Ram Air Direct Induction System that boosts intake tracked pressure. The electronic fuel injection system calculates the ideal fuel-air mixture in 2 stages, improving tractability at low RPMs while ensuring sharp response as engine speed and load increase. Cast aluminium alloy pistons feature short skirts, cutaway sides, and stubby wrist pins to reduce friction and weight. L-shaped upper compression rings improve ring sealing and reduce blow-by. Aluminium cylinders plated with Suzuki's race-proven nickel silicon carbide coating, known as SCEM, improve heat transfer and allow closer piston-to-cylinder clearance. To reduce cylinder height and frictional losses, the dual overhead camshafts are driven by both chain and gears. And because this twin produces awesome torque, there is a back torque limiter built into the clutch. Of course, the ideal V-twin engine deserves a chassis to match. Our engineers began by placing the engine mass in the perfect position between the 2 wheels, with a short wheelbase, steep steering head angle, and ideal swinging arm length. They then developed a new type of rear suspension, featuring a unique rotary damper and a remote spring. This innovation not only solves a layout dilemma with the V-twin, it represents a major breakthrough in suspension technology. Holding it all together is a truss frame constructed of aluminium alloy extrusions, forgings, and castings. It's the first of its type to be used on a production motorcycle and forms the centerpiece of a lightweight chassis with exceptional torsional rigidity. The inverted front forks have 43mm inner tubes and feature external controls to adjust spring preload, compression damping, and rebound damping. The triple clamps and the steering stem are aluminium alloy. Stainless steel rotors float on aluminium carriers with staggered diameter 4-piston calipers and sintered pads to give the TL1000s excellent braking power. Some call it svelte and seductive. Others say it's a technological knockout. But when all is said and done, it's the ride you'll remember most. The new TL1000s Super Twin. Nothing else comes even close.